Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really exciting unboxing video to share with you guys. Knife unboxing. There's a knife in here, believe it or not. This is a very rare situation where you are seeing a video on the same day that I recorded it. If you don't know, almost none of the content that you watch on this channel is recorded on the same day. A lot of it is like a week or two in the past. I have to keep 30 to 40 uploads consistently scheduled and ready to go in order to keep this channel running effectively, efficiently, and just to, keep my sanity. It's impossible to, sort of record the stuff and upload it on the same day, and that would just be chaos anyway. This came in last night, and then I went to check Vosteed's DMs, and they said, it releases on the 14th, and I was like, it's today. So I'm going to swap out what I had scheduled because I think you guys are really going to like this one. I think this is one that people are going to want to get their hands on. Thanks so much to Vosteed for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and make sure your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. So what do we have here? Well, let's go ahead and break the seal on it and open her up. I think we've got a nice Vosteed orange case. I'm really sorry about the hum in the background. That is my dryer. I am actually I'm wearing an orange shirt today because it's laundry day and this is what's left. So, but that's fine. It's on theme for Vosteed, an orange reflection, right? We have a little lettered, well, it's a bunch of stuff in there. And then the actual knife. Oh, it is larger than I had imagined, which is funny when you guys hear the name. So this is a, this is cool. Okay. This is bigger than this is a lot bigger than I imagined, but in the best way possible without actually being chunky. This is a, collaboration with Divo, called the Nip-L. Go to their website and look. Just listen, even if you don't plan to pick this up, go to their website. Use my link if you want. It's conveniently in the description. Go look what they put on the button where you click to go get the knife. I went and checked and I was like, come on. And like the way that it's like they didn't even try to like make it subtly clever. Like it literally is just like hyper suggestive in your face. Every single person who clicks on that listing on their website will stop and go, oh wow, the sound too. Wow. Hold on. Oh, I love it. You got the little metallic. There's something. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it again. Yeah, you hear it? It's like throwing a penny onto a pile of pennies. That's what it sounds like. Very, very cool hollow ground utility. Button operated top liner. And then they have, in their messages, they said they moved the button even further out of the way so that there's no chance even for lefties. It's way out of the way. I mean, you could still choking up, but they have really moved this thing out of the way. So the idea being no accidental disengagement. Very, very cool. Right hand only. Only odd thing I see so far. I have to imagine the blade steel is something like S90V or M390. I actually don't know. It doesn't say. Yeah, here's the name of it. The Nip-L. So yeah, I don't know. In this moment. I mean, of course, like, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. I'm not reviewing it, right? So I'll have all the information when I finally do the review. But bigger, like I said, bigger than I had anticipated, which is going to be funny for a multitude of reasons, and I'm sure you guys will let me know down in the comments. But very, very ergonomic. That's on point for both Vosteed and Divo. Nice choke up position. Nice standard grip. The bevels are nice. The texturing is nice. Love the stonewash on the blade. This is yet another, and we still need more of these. we are now at the point where Vosteed and some other companies have definitely taken the reins and they say, we're going to do this. We're going to make a bunch of knives with this locking system. This locking system is currently and should be taking over the more interesting part of the knife industry. I'm at the point where, of course, regular plunge locks and crossbar locks are fine. I'm fine with their existence, right? Liner locks, frame locks, but mainly the crossbar lock and the plunge lock, they just dominated to the point where everything was so oversaturated, and that's fine. But the problem is that the crossbar lock, of course, has the issue with the potential for the omega springs to break. Even though it's a great locking system, it's just got the omega spring potential breakage. And the plunge lock is just a less than reliable, less than safe locking system. So this system is better in a multitude of ways, and it retains that fidget factor. We are progressing to a point where we're seeing more of these. I want to see 50 times. Whatever we have, the current number of models that we have with button-operated top liner locks, or even like how Kaiser does their actual compression lock. Vosteed has their Vanker lock, where the pivot is the button. I want to see, and these are all technically different locking systems, especially the Vanker lock. I want to see 50 to 1. I want to see 100 times more of these. I want these locking systems to completely and totally dominate the industry because they are so convenient, they are so safe, and they are so reliable. I love this. I think Vosteed's doing an excellent job. That is really thin behind the edge. Hold on. Just gonna test the factory. Yeah, so I didn't pull. I just pushed it in. Like I'm literally just pushing it into the paper. I love it. I love it. It's not the first time I've ever seen a utility blade profile or standard, sort of tried and true, modern tactical knife grip, right? I'm not sitting here celebrating this because it looks incredibly different. It is the combination of all the elements here and the fact that Vosteed built it and likely has the heat treat on point, and also the price tag on it is probably really, really good. Vosteed is one of those companies that is getting pretty much everything right. I mean, we're still pending data from Taylor. I have a feeling we're going to get mass data from Taylor regarding Vosteed's heat treatment, and it's going to be pretty consistent. Like, that's just my guess. They do everything else so well. It's just hard to imagine anything contrary. Let me go ahead and measure it real quick. The overall length of the nipple is 7.5 inches. Yikes. 3.35 inches of blade and 3 inches of cutting edge. Boy, oh boy. That is great. I'm still, I have, the flashbacks I'm getting from the website and the text they put on the button. Like, it's not, I think I'm like making it worse, making it sound worse than it actually is. It's just not what I expected, but the way that they wrote, the words they chose, I was like, what? Like, what? Why did you use the word my? Oh, man. Absolutely insane. I love it. I love that Divo likes to joke around. I love that Vosteed likes to joke around. I think that's excellent. I don't know how many of these they made. I don't know how many variations there are. All of that. I just wanted to make sure and get a video up today as they drop so that you guys could check it out. But this just looks like a winning combination. Let me also weigh it here real quick. It's just usually with pocket knives, like, it's the phallic jokes that I'm used to, right? I mean, like, this is not. It's not a body part that I would normally associate with a knife. It weighs 4.3 ounces. All of the same types of jokes are going to apply regardless. That's going to be it today. You guys will get a full-length review. I am going to carry this and use it for sure. but you'll get a full-length review down the road. Thanks again to Vosteed and Divo for letting me check this out. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.